Good morning. Welcome to my channel again, DMC Dii Matu Chanel. Alright guys, so today is my sharing is how to replace leaking Dii polypipe. Okay, now you see this is the water from this Dii polypipe. This is leaking. Okay, so how to replace it? Okay, it is very easy. Okay, we just replace this Dii polypipe with the new Dii polypipe. The next step is, the first is we must stop the stop hook. This is my stop hook. Okay, we just stop it. Okay, just stop it. So after stop the stop hook, okay, now there is no water here, so this is, we must open this polypipe, Dii polypipe, and then replace the new Dii polypipe. Okay guys, okay, so we must open first this Dii polypipe. Okay, this is the first, second, and third. Okay guys, this is the damaged Dii polypipe. Okay, there is something broken here. Okay, and then I use this Dii polypipe, but this one is using the thread. Okay, using the thread here. Okay, so okay, look at this. This is using this cover, but this one is only thread. So we need to make thread here. Okay, so like this. So we cannot put here because there is no thread in this polypipe, so we need to make make the thread first. Okay, using this thread maker. Just simple, we just do like this slowly. Okay, slowly until this pipe okay. Alright guys, you see this is the thread, but make sure this is what we call this. This is must be stable. Okay, this one is not stable, so I need to cut here. Okay, just simple guys. We just use this knife, small knife, cutter. Guys, just simple guys. just cut here, make it stable when you put inside this pretty polypipe. Okay, now it looks like stable. Okay. Second step is we need to put this tape. Okay. Okay, we use this. We are using this tape polypipe because this is protection the any leaking of this polypipe. Alright guys, when we using this tape polypipe, make sure we must put here like the following the clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Okay. Okay, so the third step is now, it's not enough, we must put again. Okay, now we install this polypipe, the new Dii Polypipe. And I hope there is no leaking again. Okay, then for that install again the right cover, and don't forget this ring is very important. Okay. Alright guys, now you see this is ready to use, but for that we must check is that leaking again or no. Okay, so I need to on the stop hook. So guys, there is no leaking here, so that's mean now we can using this Dii Polypipe or using the pipe now. Okay. Alright guys, so that is my sharing for today. Thank you for following my simple video in DMC Dii Matu Chanel. Thank you guys.